Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the controversy between Amul and PETA. Yes, Amul and PETA controversy. So there was a controversy between Amul and PETA. PETA is an organization. This clash is for comparison of the cow milk and vegan milk, that which one is better. So before turning what had happened in this, let us know what is PETA. The meaning of PETA is People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. They talk about the animal rights, ensure the animal protection, and whenever they see anyone is torturing or any torture is happening with animals, they raise their voices. They write up many blogs and articles in favor of animals too. Historically, PETA has been known for an ethics based approach to the veganism, which is in political climate that vilifies certain religions and castes for eating particular kind of animal products. All too easily lends itself to the food shaming. For organizations that consider any form of animal product consumption, like consumption itself inherently unethical. The blame for unsustainable party practices lies first and foremost in the hand of consumers. Even while chiding Amul for not switching to plant-based milk, PETA implicitly criticized the eating habit of those who still consume dairy-based products. PETA's larger goal, bringing about a more compassionate and ethical relationship between the humans and animals, is certainly a desirable one. So now we will learn what had happened in this. So the PETA organization wanted Amul to switch to the vegan milk and they should stop making dairy products. When PETA released its statement, then Amul managing director R.S. Sodhi also replied to them and said, "Let us think for once that we agree to opt the vegan milk and boycott the dairy product and cow milk. Then who will be responsible to give the livelihood to 10 crore dairy farmers?" So 10 crore is not less proportion of farmers who are involved in dairy farming. This is very huge in number, and boycotting the dairy product means destroying their lives and means to livelihood. And R.S. Sodhi also stated that the vegan milk is not a milk. It is a chemical milk, which means these milk are made by using chemicals. They can affect our health also. Who is vegan? A person who does not eat meat or any other animal product at all, and only consumes products which are produced from plants. So for example, if we are vegan, we will boycott the cow milk, and in place of that, or the substitute available in place of cow milk is coconut milk, soya milk, or almond milk. So what does PETA claim? PETA claimed that due to the mass production of cow milk at industrial level, cows suffer the insertion of injections, steroids, for producing the milk on large scale. Cow milk is unhealthy. Cow milk can cause many diseases. Birth of zoonotic viruses by the consumption also happens. After which, Amul also stands on PETA claims. They said that if we stop producing dairy items, then around 10 crore dairy farmers will become unemployed and they will lose their livelihood. For a lower middle class family, commodities like soya milk, almond milk, or coconut milk are much more expensive than a cow milk. Production of dairy items play a crucial role in the economy of the country. So these were the points which were stated by the Amul team, and this controversy is still going on, and who will win it will be decided by the public, because many people are still there who are using a dairy product and many are supporting the vegan one. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such informations and knowledge, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.